Traveling with a tent or just moving around and spending time outdoors usually means reduction, a restriction on the essentials. Nevertheless, one has to eat and drink, which means, at least sometimes, one also has to do some cooking. Despite the limitations of being outdoors, this doesn't mean you have to stick to canned or other processed food. Even with relatively simple means, cooking outdoors can be fun and taste great. To show this, I'm planning a few videos on this to come up with. Today I'll start with something very simple, with coffee. Personally, I don't like instant coffee very much, and you really don't have to stick to that when you are outdoors. There are various other solutions, like filters for outdoor use, little espresso cookers, or French presses for outdoor use. That's what I chose, a French press. My French press is a Snow Peak titanium French press, which comes with a pot you can also use on the fire. If you like so, you can not only make coffee and boil water in it, but also cook. While the water is already on the fire, I fill the coffee beans into the grinder and grind my coffee. The grinder is a mini Porlex, which comes with a ceramic grinder. The grinder can be set to your choice. As you can see, I chose a coarsely ground for the French press. Okay, let's put some more fuel wood on the fire, and then it's time to wait until the water is boiling. Now that the water is boiling, it's time to remove the pot from the fire. Just put the grounded coffee into the water and give it a stir. You can already put on the lid with the press, but still have to wait for another 3 to 4 minutes to brew the coffee to its full flavor. Pushing the press down now encloses all the coffee grounds to the ground of the pot, and you can pour your coffee without having any coffee grounds in your cup. Enjoy your coffee.